Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today, I'm going to show you 5 remedies for long, thick, luxurious hair. One of my most popular videos on this channel is a remedy for longer hair using carrots. The results I've seen from some of my viewers have been amazing, so I wanted to share a few more secrets with all of you for longer, thicker hair. We're going to start by making carrot, banana, and yogurt hair masks. Grate up 1 carrot and mash up 1 banana. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and mix it up well. Apply the mask all over your hair, from root to tip. Once you've completely covered your hair with this mixture, allow it to set on your hair for 30 minutes. We'd recommend covering it up with a shower cap so you don't get it on your clothes. Once the 30 minutes are up, wash off the mixture with a mild shampoo. If you follow this routine 1 time per week, you'll have longer, stronger hair in no time. Just look how nice and sleek it looks. With continued use, my hair will be longer and stronger. It's even easier to run my hands through. For our second remedy, I'm going to show you how to make carrot and coconut oil hair masks. All you'll need is 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and the juice from 1 carrot. Once you've gotten those 2 ingredients together, mix them well until it creates a thick paste. Then you can apply it to your scalp and hair. You're going to want to start at the roots and give yourself a little scalp massage before applying it down to the ends of your hair. Allow the product to set for 20 minutes before you go ahead and rinse it with a mild shampoo. Just like with the first remedy, you can use this specific remedy once per week in order to get the results you desire. If you're enjoying these effective remedies so far, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Next, I'm going to show you how to make a hair growth spray with just 2 ingredients. All you'll need is the juice from 2 carrots and 50 milliliters of aloe vera juice. You'll want to fill up a 100 milliliter spray bottle with half carrot juice and half aloe vera. Once it's mixed up and ready to go, spray it all over your scalp and massage it into your scalp using your fingertips for 10 minutes. You can allow this mixture to set overnight, or if you prefer, you can leave it on for 30 minutes and rinse away with a mild shampoo. With this remedy, you can use it up to 2 times per week for best results. For our next remedy, I'm going to show you how to make another hair mask. All you'll need for this one is 1 carrot, 1 onion, olive oil, and lemon juice. Begin by grating the carrot, and then go ahead and follow up by grating the onion. For this remedy, we're going to need to extract the juice out of both the grated up carrot and onion. Once you've extracted the juice, we're going to go ahead and add the lemon juice and olive oil. Mix them together thoroughly and apply to your hair, starting at the roots. Leave this mixture on for 15 minutes before washing away with a mild shampoo. Again, do this once per week for desired results. Guys, trust me when I say these remedies truly work. These at-home remedies are some of my favorites so far, and my hair has never looked better. For our last remedy, I'm going to show you how to make a carrot, honey, and avocado mask. For this remedy, you'll need 2 carrots, a half an avocado, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Cut the avocado and blend to a paste. By the time you're done mixing all of the ingredients together, You'll want a very nice smooth paste. Massage it into your scalp and hair and leave it on for 30 minutes before you rinse it away with a mild shampoo. You can use this remedy once per week for optimum results. Be sure to let us know in the comments down below if you decide to try one of these 5 simple remedies for yourself. I guarantee you will be amazed with the results. Also, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this whole video with me today. Until next time, bye-bye.